Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make apple pie without sugar. First, choose the right apples. Varieties like Fuji or Honeycrisp offer natural sweetness, reducing the need for added sugar. Next, consider your sweetener alternatives. Stevia or erythritol are excellent choices that provide sweetness without the calories. Remember, a truly sugar-free pie starts with a sugar-free crust, so ensure your pastry recipe aligns with this goal for a delicious, guilt-free dessert. Now let's prepare that delicious filling. Slice your chosen apples thinly, aiming for about 1/4 inch thick, which helps them cook evenly and become tender. Mix these apple slices with warm spices like cinnamon and nutmeg, plus a tiny pinch of salt to enhance the overall flavor profile. A splash of lemon juice is also key. It brightens the fruit's natural taste and prevents browning, making your pie filling truly shine. With your filling ready, it's time to assemble your pie. Carefully spoon the spiced apple mixture into your prepared, sugar-free bottom crust, mounding it slightly in the center. Then, gently place your top crust over the filling, sealing the edges and cutting a few small vents to allow steam to escape during baking. Bake your pie at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 to 55 minutes, or until the crust is beautifully golden and the filling is bubbly. Once your sugar-free apple pie is out of the oven, the hardest part is waiting. Let it cool completely for at least 2 hours. This allows the filling to set properly, preventing a runny slice. Serve it warm or at room temperature to fully appreciate its natural sweetness and aromatic spices. It's a delightful treat that proves you don't need added sugar for incredible flavor. Also, for easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers and other great deals linked in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.